Workbook, Unit 7, Track 89. Letter A. It's 4 o'clock. Letter B. It's 3 o'clock. Letter C. It's 11 o'clock. Letter D. It's 5 o'clock. Letter E. It's 12 o'clock. Letter F. It's 2 o'clock.